Hey guys, cool. This is Amar, and this is the thought of the day video. I feel that I've started to feel of late that the day is incomplete if I don't do a thought of the day video. So it's a good thing. I think it's a good habit that I've started, and I hope I continue with this habit for the rest of my life because it's not impossible, absolutely not impossible to be able to find a new thought of the day. For the rest of my life, right? It's not that difficult. It is a bit difficult. It's not impossible though. As I said some time back that I used to do thought of the day videos in one of the companies I used to work, where I worked for about a year and a half. So I used to do thought of the days every day, and I used to write those thought of the days myself. So I used to actually, most of the days, 5 days a week, I used to write thought of the days, and I used to write most of those thoughts myself. So even if we run out of thought of the days by other authors, I can write myself, because being an author, the good thing is I like to write, and I have opinions for almost everything in the world. So we will always have a thought of the day, right? Cool. So today we're doing the reason I'm doing thought of the days by other authors here is because that ways I get to go beyond myself and learn something from others, right? Because there's so much that I don't know. There's so many mistakes I've made in my life myself, that I am such an imperfect person. In spite of having lived all these years, my life is not perfect, and there are mistakes I've done. So I'm sure there are things I can learn from others, right? So that's the reason I'm doing these thought of the days from different authors, different people, different great people who said great things about life. Cool. So, and that is another way I get to talk to you guys. As I said, I'm trying to make friends on this channel, and I hope this channel will grow to millions of people who want to grow, who want to live a happy life. So hopefully we'll chat more. Right now I don't get a lot of comments. Hopefully in some time I'll do, and we will be able to grow together. Cool. Because that's the whole point of life: to not stop growing till we live, to not try to be happier till we live. That's the whole point of life. There's nothing else to life. Cool. So the thought of the day is on duty. The thought of the day is on duty, right? And it's by Pierre Corneille. I don't know if Pierre Corneille was a writer or a businessman. It's just there in the Forbes Book of Business Quotations. Pierre Corneille, right? And the thought says, do your duty and leave the rest to the gods. It says, do your duty and leave the rest to the gods. And I think that's a thought that resonates in different cultures and different religions all over the world. Even in Mahabharata, where Lord Krishna is talking to Arjuna, he says karmanya vadikaraste ma phaleshu kadachan, which is a really famous quote in Sanskrit. It largely means that do your work and do not think about the results. So largely that's what this thought is also saying, that do your duty and leave the rest to the gods. So because what we can do, what is in our control, although philosophically maybe I would differ from that also, but at least we can make an effort, and that is important, right? No matter what we're trying to do, we're trying to be fitter, we're trying to be more happier, we're trying to be richer. What we can do is we can make effort, because there are zillions of other factors at play, the external circumstance, the external environment, which have control over what results would eventually come out. But the minimal that we can do as human beings is to make effort, right? So that's what I'm doing on this channel. I'm trying to make effort. I'm trying to inspire people to be happy. I'm trying to learn something together with these thoughts of the days. So that's what we can do. Do the duty, right? So do your duty and leave the rest to the gods, to the nature, whatever you believe in. Just do your duty. Do not shirk from doing your duty. Do not shirk from doing the right thing. That is the most important thing. Just do the thing that is the most important to do. Because even if you don't get results at the end of doing the right thing, at least you would have satisfaction that you made the effort. That is the kind of satisfaction that comes from action. That is the kind of satisfaction comes from making an effort, right? So that's something we should never let go, right? Because if you make the effort and you still don't get results, at least you would have the satisfaction that you did your duty, right? Cool. that is the thought of the day, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll try to not to have a break, because I want to hit 500 videos on this channel, including thought of the days, including reading my books. I want to read stuff from my blog also, which is a happiness blog called Amarvani. The link for that is in the description, right? So even those, I want to convert all of those blog posts into videos, because then I can put those videos on the blogs also, and I can embed them in the blog post, so then people can while they're reading, they can also listen to the video and understand in context what I mean by those messages about happiness. Cool. So that's the thought of the day. I hope you have a nice evening. This is evening in India right now, and whatever time zone you are in, whenever you listen to this video, I hope you have a nice day. Cool. Thank you. Bye.